Dear students, today we will continue exercise 5.6. It is based on rule of divisibility. Today we will do sum number B part 1. We have to check if the number 63405 is divisible by 18 or not. First, we will find the coprime factor of 18. Now, what is coprime factor? We will choose two numbers. If they don't have any common factor, then we will say that the two numbers are coprime numbers. Similarly, coprime factors of 18 are 2 and 9, because 2 is a factor of 18 and 9 is also a factor of 18. But 2 and 9 have no common factor. So, 2 and 9 are coprime factor of 18. Now we will check if this number 63405 is divisible by 2 or 9. Now 63405 is not divisible by 2. Why? Because the unit place digit is an odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. And 63405 is divisible by 9. Why? If we add all these digits, we are getting 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. So the coprime factors of 18 are 2 and 9. This number is not divisible by 2. And this number is divisible by 9. Since it is not divisible by 2, so the number 63405 is not divisible by 18, because 2 is a factor of 18. Next, sum number 3. We have to check the number 486420 is divisible by 30 or not. Now, coprime factors of 30 are 3 and 10. Now we will check if this number is divisible by 3 or 10. This number is divisible by 3. Why? Because if we add the digits of this number, we will get 24. 24 is divisible by 3 because 3 8s are 24. So the number is divisible by 3. And this number is divisible by 10 because the unit place digit is 0. So the given number is divisible by both the factor 3 and 10, which are coprime factor. So this number is divisible by 30. For sum number C part 1, the question is a number is divisible by 24. It will also be divisible by which numbers? First, we will find all the factors of 24. So, we are doing a prime factorization. 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. When we are finding all the factors, first write down this number. 3 2s are there, so write down 1 2 from here and 1 3. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 is a factor. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 is also a factor. 3 2s are 6, 6 is a factor. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 is a factor. So these are the combination of all the factors. When we are finding that a number is divisible by which number, first we will find the factors of that number and that will be our answer. So, write down this number in question number C. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. Question number 2. A number which is divisible by 50 is also divisible by 2, 5, 10, 25. Like the previous one, find all the factors of 50. You will get all these numbers. Question number 3. A number which is divisible by 25 is also divisible by the number 5, because 5 5s are 25. So if a number is divisible by 25, then it will be divisible by 5. Question number D. Write true or false If a number is divisible by 6, it must be divisible by 12. It is false because 12 is not a factor of 6. 12 is a multiple of 6. The number which is divisible by 6, it may be divisible by 12, may not be divisible by 12. We can't tell this one. So, if a number is divisible by 6, it must be divisible by 12. It is false because 12 is a multiple of 6. If a number is divisible by 6, it must be divisible by 3. It is true because 3 is a factor of 6. So when a factor is given, that factor with that factor we can divide a number. That is true. But with a multiple we can divide a number or cannot divide the number. That we are not sure for that one. So for the first one, since 12 is a multiple, we are saying false. And for the second one, since 3 is a factor of 6, we are saying true. Question number 3. 11 and 6 are co-prime numbers. If a number is divisible by both 11 and 6, it is also divisible by 66. It is true. Thank you, children.